Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's go through 10 interesting makeup facts you need to know. Number 1. The nail polish patent was issued in 1919. It was a very pale pink. Number 2. The Aztecs used beetles to make red lipsticks. Number 3. Roman women used belladonna drops to make their eyes look bigger and gorgeous. Number 4. It is said that Elizabeth Taylor told other women on sets not to wear red lipstick. Number 5. MAC was started by two men named Frank in 1985. Number 6. Feminists like Elizabeth Cady Stanton and the fight for voting rights. Number 7. Hairless underarms came into fashion only after 1915. Number 8. Women have often used pieces of black velvet to make their own beauty marks. Number 9. Eugene Rimmel made the first mascara in the 19th century. Number 10. Annually, nearly 900 million lipsticks are sold worldwide. Who made makeup first? The Egyptians. Makeup dates all the way back to 6000 BCE, starting with the Egyptians. They created it as they believed makeup was next to gold lines and that it appealed to the gods. Both men and women of all social classes wore makeup. Why is makeup so important? Overall, makeup can be an important tool for enhancing your appearance, boosting your confidence, and expressing your creativity. However, it's important to remember that makeup should be used as a complement to your natural beauty and not as a way to hide or cover up who you are. Who invented makeup in India? Nehru quickly approached industrialist Jahangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata for a solution, and Lakme was introduced as India's first homegrown cosmetics brand in 1952. It was a subsidiary of Tata Oil Mills. Who is the father of makeup? Max Factor, the father of modern makeup. Who invented lipstick? Abu al-Qasim al-Zahrawi. Why is makeup called cake? Because it was a cake-like powder whose container resembled a pan. What is the general name of makeup? This kind of makeup is also called cosmetics. Why makeup is an art? Both art and makeup can transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. If you find this video informative, please like and subscribe. Thank you all.